In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin team member to Close CRM. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need permission to manage users in your Close account. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, check with your account owner first. Also, make sure your plan has an available seat for a new user to avoid invite errors. Let's begin inside Close. From the main workspace, head to the inbox. This is a reliable starting point because it's available from anywhere in the app and gives you access to the global navigation. Once you're there, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see the settings area, usually represented by a gear icon. This is where all organization level controls live. Click Settings. This opens the settings panel for your organization. On the left side menu, find and select Team Management. This section is dedicated to user administration, adding teammates, assigning roles, and managing access. If you don't see Team Management, it's likely a permissions issue, so double check your role in Close. Inside Team Management, click New User. This starts the invite process. A small form will appear asking for the new teammate's email address. Type in their work email carefully. This address is where the invitation will be sent, and it will become their login for your Close organization. It's a good idea to double check spelling here to avoid bounced invites or duplicate accounts. Next, set their role to admin. You'll see a role selector. Choose admin to grant full administrative privileges. Depending on your interface, you may need to click admin and confirm that selection to finalize the role. Assigning admin gives the user broad access, including billing, pipelines, lead data, user management, and settings. Only assign this role to trusted team members who need to manage configurations or other users. With the email entered and the admin role selected, click Invite. Close will send an invitation to the address you provided. The user will appear in your team management list, often marked as pending until they accept. If the invite doesn't arrive, ask them to check spam or filtered folders, and you can resend the invite from the same page if needed. That's it. You navigated to the inbox, opened settings, went into team management, created a new user, set them as admin, and sent the invitation. As a best practice, review your admin list periodically, limit admin access to those who truly need it, and encourage new admins to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to add another admin to Close, and you'll keep your team running smoothly and securely.